For today's video, we are going to discuss a very important question that you should be answering before going through the tedious process of your US visa application. Yes, this is a very important question that you should be answering because a lot of US visa applicants are getting confused with this kind of question when they are already applying for their US visa. And what is that question? This question is,
hi everyone!
do you know the US visa type that you should be applying for? What is a US visa type? Well, there are so many different visa types depending into different applicants who are applying for a US visa. Say for example, if you are someone who will be marrying an American citizen, there is a visa for you. If you are someone who wants to study in Harvard, there is another visa for you. If you are someone who just want to enjoy the beautiful scenery and different tourist spots and places in the US, there is also a visa for you. And the reason why I wanted to give you this information, because when I am looking at the different comments being given by different subscribers from the different parts of the world, not only here in the Philippines, but also those who are from the different parts of the world, thank you very much. But thank you very much for appreciating everything that I am sharing with you in this channel, and it makes my heart full of gratitude. And there are also others who really wants to seek for my help. As a matter of fact, I am so happy because those people who sent me email, that's why those who really want to get help from me, please do not forget that the only way that you are going to communicate with me easily is through my email. So, if you're interested to ask for my help, I give free consultation for those people who really wants to get their US visa. So please do not forget, my email is in the description box. Now going back to why is it important that you should know the visa type that is for you, because the US Embassy will not be very forgiving to those people who got a wrong choice when it comes to their visa application. Remember, one wrong move may be a result of a denied visa application. So listen carefully to this video so that I may be able to share with you the visa types and you will be able to know which type you should be applying. But before that, I am going to use first a prop because all these things that I'm going to share with you can be found in the United States government website, wherein they listed all of the visas or the visa types that you can apply for your US visa. Now, let's get my laptop. I'm just going to bring my laptop like this. I'm going to share also here in this part everything that I'm sharing with you. I do not want to give a wrong information, especially with this kind of topic, because it will really affect your application if you will choose the wrong type. Okay? Generally, there are two visa types that you can apply in the United States. The first one is what we call a non-immigrant visa, and the second one is the immigrant visa. When we are talking about a non-immigrant visa, it means that you are just going to the United States for a short period of time. It means you will be staying there temporarily. Okay? You will be staying there for a temporary period only. That after your trip into the United States, you will be back into your home country. That's for the non-immigrant visa. The second one is the immigrant visa. This one is if you have a plan to stay in the United States and live there as a citizen permanently. Okay? The other one is temporary and this one is permanent. What is your purpose in going to the United States? You have to align it with the visa that you are going to apply. Now, under the non-immigrant visa, this time that I'm going to look at my laptop, we don't want to be spreading fake news, okay? Again, this information that I'm going to share with you, I found it into the US Department of State website. And just type www.state.gov/visas/ where you're going to see the different visa type. So do not forget that, because if ever that you wanted to still read all the information that I'm going to share with you, you will be able to go to that website. But if you want to see Teacher Noy, you may be able to just watch this one. Under the non-immigrant visa, there are different subtypes. These are the specific visas that you can apply in order for you, yes, you can apply this in order for you to go to the United States based on your purpose. The first example is what we call tourism and visit. So when we say tourism and visit, it means that a foreign national, like a Filipino, wanted to go to the United States for tourism. Okay? You wanted to go there for tourism purposes. It means that you wanted to see the beautiful scenic spot. You wanted to enjoy the snow because there's no snow here in the Philippines. Just make sure that the state that you are going should have snow, because there are also places or states in the United States in which they don't have snow. So if you want to see the snow, go to a place where there is snow. Then also we have what we call study and exchange. So the United States support international education and welcome foreign and exchange visitors. But before applying for visa, in this one, students and exchange visitors must be accepted. So before applying for this, before you go to the United States and apply for this kind of visa, you have to be accepted first by the school or the institution where you are going to study, if this is a study and exchange visa that you are applying for. So what you have to do with that, we can talk about that some other time. If you are really interested into continuing your studies or education into the United States, we can talk about that. Under also this one, we also have business. So this is under the non-immigrant visa. Business, a foreign national traveling to the United States to conduct temporary business needs. Okay? It is a temporary business needs. You can conduct that also if that is for business. Then we also have employment. If you want to work there. To work in the United States temporarily as a lawful non-immigrant. Do not forget the word lawful. It means that you follow the law. You were not illegally recruited. Do you understand? You follow the immigration law. Temporary workers must qualify for the available visa category based on the planned employment purpose. So it means that there is a company, they are willing to accept you there for unemployment. Then also we have other visa categories. In addition to tourism visits, business, employment, study, and exchange, and immigration, which I mentioned a while ago, there are other reasons for traveling to the United States, which also generally require a visa. Always remember that if you are a foreign national, you are going to apply for a visa when you go to the United States. Then, the immigrant visa, again, I told you if you want to stay there permanently, you have to know also what are the immigrant visas. The first one is family-based, the second one is employment, and the third one is diversity visa. So when we talk about family-based, it means that certain family members of U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents, okay? You can be petitioned or sponsored by someone to go there and apply for your own citizenship to become a citizen also. If you want me to talk about this even further, I can be able to create a video also about this one. For employment, for permanent employment or investment by entrepreneurs, there is this temporary, there can also be a permanent, or if you want to expand your business in the United States, then why not? Go there. Then you also have diversity visa, annual program making a limited number of visas available to persons who meet strict eligibility requirements. Okay, so those are the different types of US visa. And I'm planning to make a video for each type of visa so that you will be able to understand better which type of visa you should be applying for. I hope that you learned something really important, or I hope that you're able to get something really important in this video that I'm sharing you right now. And I hope that you're able to know already what type of visa you should be applying. Because again, when you start your journey of applying your US visa, which is a complicated and tedious process, it's important that you should know the type of visa that you should be applying, because the type of visa that you should be applying should be connected. It should be connected to your purpose of why you are going to the United States. And if these two, the choice of visa type and the purpose, are all connected, you may be able to pass your application for US visa. And we know that we want that to happen. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you have learned something in this video. Please write your comments in the comment section. And if you have any suggestion which I can use also, or if you have suggestion or questions that you want me to answer through creating a video, do not hesitate to write it in the comment section. Thank you for your support. I appreciated all of your support. And that's the reason why I am here. I am giving you free consultation because I want all of us to fulfill our dream of going to the United States. As long as your dream is a lawful dream. Okay? Do not do illegal act, even going to the United States. And Teacher Noy will be supporting you. Thank you so much for being with me even until this part of this video. Please do not forget to like, share, watch, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye everyone! Hi everyone, this is me again, Teacher Noy, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video and this is your first time watching Teacher Noy, please do not forget to click my image below and subscribe in this channel. And if you're still interested in watching for more videos, there are so many choices here in this side. Please do not forget to support Teacher Noy. Like, subscribe, watch, and comment. And if possible, share it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.